Welcome to the episode 2 of my Benz S-Class barn find if so, and troubleshooting the Airmatic suspender. It won't raise, the pump won't work behind the car and nothing, but if I apply straight voltage into pump it works, relay is okay and everything else. So I went straight forward with it. Here's the old block. And I don't know how well you can see, but it is rusted from inside. All those valves. Anyway, so we have here brand new aftermarket one. It's not the cheapest, but different mix. This isn't the cheapest, but this is a bit cheaper than original. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to install this one and let's see. We'll get the Airmatic working, the car raised up, and then we see do we have any other products with it. So stay tuned. So, after installing new wall block, the compressor started instantly working, so it's okay. But we have an air leak somewhere here. Somewhere here is line cracked. I can see it, or maybe I see. Maybe it's this one. Not really, but somewhere here. One corner is sitting down. The rest of the car is nice. So we have an improvement as well. This side is okay, and this back is okay. So we try to make some homemade fix because I don't have original line yet. I have to order it, but let's see, can we make it fix? Oota. Oh no. Tätä ei ole esimene. Anna veel.